Let's recreate this natural hairstyle inspired from Rihanna. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be recreating a natural hairstyle. I've already done one off so that I can know if it actually looks nice on my hair because I just recently cut my hair and my hair is like I didn't know if it was going to work on my hair. So this is proof that it works on short hair. So what I'm doing is that I made my sister part my hair for me off camera. So I'm already taking down one twist. So what I'm going to do is to detangle it first. I already detangled it already, but I'm just going to run a comb through it to remove the twist out curls. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to comb that out. So after that, I'm going to go in with oil. This is just to add shine to my hair so that my hair can lay flat. And I also love when my hair is shiny because when you're just doing your hair and your hair is shiny, it just looks great. So I'm going to add oil to just add a little bit of shine to my curls so that the hairstyle can pop out more since I'm not adding a gel. So how I'm making my braids is I'm making it flat. So how to explain is that I'm braiding downwards. So I'm taking the one at the bottom to the top, then the one at the sides, like everything is going downwards. If you know how to braid, you understand what I'm trying to say. I don't know how else to explain it, but if you just do what I'm doing on your hair, I'm sure you get it. I see I'm trying to explain that it's laying down flat because if I just make it like upwards, it's probably going to have like a curve at the top, which I don't like. So I like to braid it downwards. So I'm just going to continue to braid my hair. What I did notice from this hairstyle is that if you have fine hair strands, your braids will look thin. So when you're doing this, don't try to make your braids tight. So I'm just going to use my neck to measure out from the previous one I did so that all of it can be layered out well. Then I'm going in with a rubber band, but don't put a rubber band on your hair without adding oil. This helps to reduce the tension on your hair, and also when you're taking it out, don't pull out your hair like how normal rubber bands do. So also what I was saying before is that if you have fine hair strands, your braids will tend to be smaller. So that means you have to do bigger patterns, or when you're making your braids, you just have to be loose with your braid. So I'm going to tease my hair. When I saw this hairstyle, they were always using extensions, so I really wanted it to just be my natural hair, and I wanted the puff to be a little bit bigger. So I just decided, like I've seen people tease their hair, so I just said, oh, let me try it, maybe to make the puff a little bit bigger, and it actually worked. So I actually got like a new hack that you can try if you don't see people doing this. I just decided to try it, and when I teased it out, I left a little bit left so that I can wrap it around the rubber band to just cover that up and also to keep the puff intact. So just don't wrap it too tight because you know you're going to take down this hair after. Just like wrap it around loosely. Then I'm just going to adjust the puff, size it up, make it look a little bit better, and when I'm satisfied with that, I'll go on to the next one. So I'm just basically going to repeat the process again. What I did notice, like as I was saying previously, is that you can notice that I did bigger patterns with this hairstyle. I did a total of 3 layers on my hair, and I'll pretty much say I have a full head, whatever you want to say. So when you're doing this hairstyle, if you're not adding extensions like the ones I've seen, you should try and make your patterns a lot bigger. And trust me, this hairstyle is not even like as cute when it's so full, because most times when I've seen this hairstyle, it's always chunky, big and beautiful. So just keep it chunky and you'll love it. And also what I did notice is that it's not something that is complicated to do. If you don't know how to do natural hair, or you don't know how to style your hair, trust me, this is super easy. You don't even I don't like putting gel on my hair, because most people don't put gel on their hair to have like a little bit slicker patterns, or making it look more laid or defined. But I like my hair, that's why I use oil instead, because I don't really like gel on my hair. So just use whatever you want on your hair, but in general this hairstyle is pretty quick to do. I finished it in approximately, I'm not going to be exaggerating, like 30 minutes at most. I was done. When I was done, like, my mom was shocked that I was done so fast. It's very simple, it's not complicated, and the braids are like, if I count it, should be a total of not more than 10, or let me stretch it out to like 15 on my hair. So that's not much. So you can pretty much just copy the steps I'm doing. If you want to try it out, you can play my video, watch it, try it on your hair, because I'm actually leaving the video long for you guys to see all the steps and process, so that you can watch along and do your hair, so that you won't feel tired or left out when you're doing this. So I'll come back when I'm done with my hair so we can see the final look. So this is the final look from making this hair, and first thought is when I saw it was like, this is super beautiful. I got so much compliments because I did this on Saturday for Sunday, and I absolutely loved this hair. Will I do this again? Probably yes, but let me show you guys the final look.